What's up, guys? Came in today to make a little video, do a little demonstration for you. As you can see, everything is pretty much, how do I switch the screen? It's not letting me switch the screen. I thought I could switch the screen. You can see everything is pretty much where we left it. The sand from the lab we were doing. All the materials are still out. Papers, labs, materials. My jacket for bus duty. The heat lamps. Everything's exactly how we left it. Frozen in time. And they opened up the school today, so I just wanted to come in and show you a cool little demonstration. You know, just to say hi and see what's going on. It's supposed to be cleaning, but I'm doing this. So, we've been talking a lot about weather and air pressure. And there's a cool little fun demonstration you could use. Any kind of water bottle, little ones work. I like the big ones, but you could do it any kind of water bottle. I like to use the water bottles because they're thin, flexible plastic, and you need to be able to squeeze it to make high pressure. So what you're going to need is a little bit of warm water. I was just heating up this water. And you could just use a little bit of hot water out of your tap. Just a tiny bit. All right, that's it. Just a little bit. And that's going to provide the warm, moist air, the maritime tropical air. That's going to create our little experiment. And the name of this experiment is called Cloud in a Bottle. Cloud in a Bottle. All right. So for clouds to form, you need little particles of dust. We call them condensation nuclei. And for this experiment, I'm just going to use a match. So you get your parents' permission to use a match. And you're just going to strike the match. Let the wood burn a little bit because you want to make smoke. You're going to drop it in and then cover it real quick. And so far, we don't really have a cloud. Some condensation forming on the edges of the plastic. And I like to get rid of that condensation so it's nice and clear. And you'll even feel the water bottle expand from the warm air, the air warming up from that warm water. And what we've created is an air mass that's warm and moist. We call it maritime tropical. But we don't have a cloud yet. To get a cloud, what happens is warm air rises and expands. We have a mass of warm air that rises. All right? Maritime tropical air rises. And what's going to happen is it's going to What's going to happen is it's going to expand. And as it expands, it's going to cool down to the dew point temperature. And you get a cloud. Can you see that? Oh, cool. So we could do the same thing in a bottle that happens in the atmosphere. We have our warm, moist air inside, and we just need to get it to expand so it cools down to drop it to the dew point temperature, and all those water molecules are going to collect and condensate onto a dust particle. And it works really well when you add dust particles or the match for smoke. We call that condensation nuclei. And to do this, to make the cloud, it's very simple. And this is why I use a water bottle, because anybody can do this. We're going to fold the water bottle in half. All right? Now we created high pressure. We're compressing the air. We're heating it. We're causing more evaporation. And we have high pressure clear. And when I release this bottle, the air is going to cool and expand. And the water vapor that's in the air will condense, hopefully, onto droplets and making a little bit of fog and making a little bit of cloud. Ready? 2, 1. You see that? It's like foggy inside. That's a cloud. And if I squeeze it, it gets clear. And if I let it go, you get a cloud. It's foggy inside. That's condensation floating in the air, which is all a cloud is. It's tiny little microscopic water droplets floating in the air. High pressure, clear. Low pressure, cloudy. You open it up. You can see the cloud coming out. You could try this at home. It's not really showing up on the camera so great. Try that again. Try this experiment one more time. I'm going to put some more warm water inside. Cloud in a bottle, folks. The match is just for condensation nuclei. And you can see it's clear. We're going to create high pressure. Dang it. We're going to create high pressure, low pressure. Oh, that worked awesome. There it is. Look at that. Cloud in a bottle. I'm going to evaporate it. High pressure, where'd it go? It's clear. Low pressure, cloud. If you rapidly expand warm air, it's going to cool and you're going to get condensation. High pressure, low pressure. High pressure, low pressure. Cloud in the bottle. Hey guys, I miss you so much. This was so sad to come in here and to see everything frozen in time exactly how we all left it. Somebody left a water bottle, somebody's blue water bottle over here, right where we left it. No name, still has water in it. This is all very depressing for me. So, you can see my desk is exactly how I left it, nice and neat and organized, right? And they're gonna kick us out. I'm probably gonna get kicked out soon. Is there anybody around? Who is that? Some teachers down the hallway. Any chair people? Nobody? I'm late. Everybody was probably here earlier. There's a few people still around. I saw Mr. and Mrs. Torquato. They just stopped by. I just missed them. Mrs. Sullivan. Oh no, that looks like a student. All right, bye. I hope I didn't make this too long so I can upload it.